Want to know how to add reverbs to your audio in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so in just a few steps. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So first up, launch Audacity and import any audio that you like. Now once you've done that, double-click on the audio to select the entire audio. Now go to Effects and then navigate towards Delay and Reverb. Now navigate towards the reverb and left-click on it. In here you can see a dialog pop up. These are the settings of how much you want your reverb to be. You can change the room size to your stereo width. Tweak it accordingly, and once you're done, simply click apply. And that's it. You can already see the change in your waveform. You can preview it by simply pressing spacebar, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.